Hey guys, so today we're going to try some backyard cooking with this new backyard propane stove that I got from Vevor. So let's open it up and give it a shot. Alright, looks like it comes with the propane hoses here. Propane hoses, knobs, let's see, some bolts, looks like a plate. Alright, looks like the plate to go around the back. This, I think, is the legs. Alright, so let's assemble it and see what it looks like. Alright, assembly looks pretty simple. Just put in the legs and the wind block, and then you're done. Put the hose around the back. Alright, so the legs go on with this pin, and it's pretty secure. Legs are pretty secure, and they do come off if you need them to. The knobs come in pretty sturdy, but there's no fire ignition, so you do have to start with a lighter. Alright, so let's take a look. I think it looks pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. I got the propane tank in. Let's fire it up. All right, nice. Wow, pretty high. Turn it low. Okay, all the burns are lit now. So it could go pretty high and pretty low. All right. So let's give it a test and cook some food. All right, nice even flame. Gonna have to boil a lot of water, so we'll see how well it does. All right, looks like it's ready. All right, we are set. Worked great. The stove worked great.